Baraka. Okay, so what is in the heavens? Are you ready for your energetic mystical weather report for February the 17th through the 23rd? If you are the star, Jara star, and let's go far and talk about how the symbols in the heavens are near as energy affecting all of us. February 17th, Moon conjunct Uranus square Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus square Mars, Mars trine Pluto, sextile Neptune, and Saturn tightly squaring Uranus. For the mystical astrological students, you have the coordinates. You can do your homework. Something on the smorgasbord for everyone works. 17th of February, the cold will tear you apart without warming your heart. When shift happens, are you clapping or slapping? Oh, as a matter of fact, backtrack, because cold hearts are everywhere. The winter cold is just moving through the countries, and the cold hearts are just moving through the astrosphere. But you got a choice to have a warm heart and not be torn apart. The slapping, the hitting, the spitting, the harming, the spewing, the jealousy, hate, and irate, you're slapping. You're just channeling the energy in negative ways, polluting the planet. You're clapping if you're in the mode of gratitude and appreciation, if you're in the mode of celebration for all creation, if you're in the mode of changing lemons into lemonade, then you are raised. February the 18th, Moon conjunct Mars square Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, tightly, intensely squaring Uranus. Queen, what I mean. Red flag alarm, Mars attacks, beauty, charm, pleasure, and treasure. Your peace will be interrupted, or you are introduced to acts of love to the public. Ooh, hooray for this day. It's like acts of love, paying it forward, caring, sharing, giving, and living from the heart. Every second you can start and synchronize being a part of your true self, not separate in the form body, but one in the energy in everybody. Tell somebody, be yourself in all bodies, then you're one with the Almighty. February the 19th, the Moon conjuncts Mars, trine Pluto, and the Sun squares the Moon. You know what happens, students, when the Sun is squaring the Moon twice a month. This first one is the first quarter squared, 1:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The worst thing I mean, is to be mean to the Queen. If it hits you strong, then stay on love's throne. Yes, at best. Ooh, put some healing in your chest. Don't want to cause you any upset. I just want you to be clear and to know what you get. You get what you put out. It returns to you. So do not doubt. Don't want to cause others harm if your pain is a ticking time bomb. Cold is bold when he gets mad, yet froze when he's sad. February the 20th, Moon trine Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, tight squaring Mars. Whoa, women and men, you better watch your spin. And don't be trying to harm the feminine, or you'll be the result of some pain and suffering from your own created reality. the 20. Internet chat, dance, innovate, multi-dash, communicate, avoid being extra and dizzy, tossed at sea, parting free. February 21st, Moon square Neptune trine Venus. Okay, look and say hooray. But I don't know why you're doing it on this day. Mercury goes direct. What the heck? Neptune and the moon are in a wreck. Contradictions and politics, hiding and deceiving, the fog and the sea, lunatic. What am I saying? There will be some negative playing, some undermining and binding, but this don't happen to be you doing it, or gosh, you a boo-boo day, probably ranking gonna get a spanking that you create. But if this is you receiving someone's offensive, abrasive energy, let me remind you that the lunar will tick, and in every now, awaking beings are inspiring wise love. Oh, say it again. In every now, awakening beings are inspiring wise love. So with your politics and your hiding and your deceiving, you're in a fog and in a sea, and you're sailing with no rudder, and you in flutter, and you're like a lunar ticking clock, eventually to spark into your own sabotage, self-destruction. So come out of the dark and let some light heal and reveal you into a beautiful sanctuary of positivity, love in your community. February the 23rd, Venus opposite Pluto, trine Neptune, Sun sextile Uranus, while many are being snatched into the underworld. Those who meditate are dissolving barriers to the inner world. Twirl with the mighty power of love. Many are being snatched for the last year, just pulled and abducted with a tear out of the bodies into the underworld. The numbers are staggering, yet you're going around tripping, lipping, and dipping and slipping. And don't you see, it's a meaning that you need to bring out and get out of your pity party pouts and doubts and put some courageous, yes, that spout of the lion heart, that courageous embark. Yeah, it's a journey worth taking, and a trip worth making, and a sacrifice worth all that's forsaken, and a destination with no end to awaken. When will you start? While many are being snatched into the underworld, what's your choice? What's your creation? What's your world? Now, those who are meditating are dissolving the barriers to the inner world. It's like the opposite side of this. It's like a positive twist into the mighty power of love. Baraka. Hugs. In the mighty power of love, you rise, see? In the mighty power of love, you prevail over all negativity. In the mighty power of love, you are the one with the power from the sun, but no one can disrupt, interrupt, or corrupt, because you've won, connected in your electric magnetic energy, wealth, self. You control your breath. and move the energy. And what is left? Anything that's not being real, that's phony, that's deceptive, that's backbiting and self-sabotaging and love neglected will be dissolved into the sea and resolved to turn and be the original reality of the Almighty. What I say? Follow me. Those who meditate and dissolve barriers into the inner world, twirl in the mighty power of love. Baraka, hugs.